Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Real quick, getting ready to do a evap smoke test, leak test. Okay, I have a P0456. As you can see, my ball is up, I have it on. If I simulate no leaks, my ball will drop to the bottom, such as that. All right, let's install my tester. I have my tester already hooked up, guys. I tend to do all my evap leak right at the source, which is in this case the ESIM. All right, so I'm gonna plug this up right here. It's gonna test the complete evap system for leaks. All right, so I'm gonna leave that sitting there for a good second, minute or two. Guys, you gotta understand something about evap leaks. You see, I am tied into the ESIM via the vapor canister. All right, now there's only two outlets on this canister. Okay, one hose going to the fuel system, the fuel tank. Okay, it's going to monitor leaks at the fuel tank. The other hose going all the way up to the front. Up front there is a purge valve and a couple of other valves and ports. Okay, it monitors leaks through those. All right, so if both of those are sealed off and not leaking, I should get a 0 reading, or my ball should completely drop. Okay, let's find out if that's the case. And ladies and gentlemen, that is not the case. Been running for at least 40 seconds now. It's not even trying to drop. All right, let me grab the hose. We're gonna simulate a no leak. I'm gonna squeeze the hose. You can see my ball drop. So guys, we have a leak. Now what you can do, guys, I'm gonna give you some tips. All right, online mechanic tips. We're gonna simulate a leak coming from the fuel tank. This is the hose going to the fuel tank. You got to understand where your hose is going to for this to work. So guys, what I'm gonna do is take this off and seal this off right here. Okay, if my ball drop and I have no leaks, I obviously have leaks coming from the tank area. All right, so let's get this off. All right guys, I have the hose off at the tank. We're gonna do them one at a time. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one on, so I'm still testing for leaks via the front of the vehicle, the purge and the purge valve and all the hoses up front. All right, so what I'm gonna do is simulate a no leak from the fuel tank area, which is where this hose, or it could be the hose, guys, but what I'm gonna do right now is just stop this off and see if my leak goes away. Let's use our hand and stop that off. And now let's take a look at the ball. Whoa guys, I'm removing my finger, putting my finger on. Yes guys, all right, what did that tell you? There's no sense in even doing the other side. Okay guys, what that tells me, I have a leak. It could be this hose. Okay, now I'm doing an air leak. Now that's when you hook up your smoke machine and see if you can see smoke coming in this area. So what I'm gonna do is plug this back up, guys, and we're gonna convert our machine. We're gonna convert our machine to smoke. All right, now let's let the car up in the air and see if we can visually see any smoke coming from the fuel tank area or the hose. All right guys, what do we have? We have the smoke machine running. Uh-oh, I see a little smoke. Wow guys. Oh, right there. Oh, y'all see right there? Oh my goodness. So it is the hose, but it's this look at this hose, guys. This hose looks like it's been chewed up. Y'all see that smoke? I am failing the smoke test, guys. Now this hose, yes, this hose is attached to a rollover valve, sort of. Oh my goodness, guys, we're gonna need a whole tank. You cannot repair those hoses. Yes, y'all see the smoke? Smoke, it's gonna be hard for you to see because of the lighting, but I can visually see the smoke. I can also visually see, look at this line. How does this line, look at this cut. How does this get like this? Oh man, look at that smoke. Yep. So guys, I simply converted from air to smoke. Now I can see my leak. But like I say guys, the only problem is this is attached to, I'm gonna pull up a diagram of the tank and show you. This is a valve right here. I can feel the valve with my finger. And this hose coming out. Now I know a lot of you guys at aftermarket shops, y'all would simply cut that off right here and use a regular hose and try to tie it in right here. But we are unable to do stuff like that, guys. So do not knock me for not, I get criticized all the time for not repairing things, guys. I cannot operate like that here at this facility. This is a facility and they are lawsuit prone. Everybody tries to sue this facility for everything. Oh my goodness. How in the world do this line get like this? Look at this cut right here. How is that possible? Look at all the smoke. You can see the smoke real good now. Okay guys, this little thin line right here, like I say, it comes from the tank. There's no way around it. I will have to replace the tank. This is not four-wheel drive, is it? Please don't be. Nope. So in order to drop this tank, the exhaust going, I'm going to split the exhaust down, remove parts of the drive shaft, drop the tank. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can see all the smoke everywhere now. Alright guys, P0456, there also was a large leak, P0455 I want to say. It was showing two leaks, so I have since found what I needed to see. Now it's a matter of repairing it. I'm almost certain we don't have a fuel tank in stock. We're gonna have to order a fuel tank, guys. So I basically, wow, you can see the smoke a lot. Basically, I'm gonna have to order a fuel tank, guys. So I will not leave this video open. I'll simply call this the diagnostic video. But how does this happen? That got me baffled. This hose just sit here. What? This doesn't look like it's been eaten by a rat or anything. We'll get a closer look, guys, once we get the tank down. So, but I'm gonna have to order a gas tank. If they want it fixed, I gotta try to upsell it first, and we'll go from there, guys. But it's hard, guys. Let me explain something. It's hard to find evap leaks without the use of a tool. In this case, we use MotorVac cool smoke tool. Okay, it can do smoke and air leak. They both have their place in diagnostic. All right, I tend to use both to find my problem, and I did just that, pulling it off right here at the Eastham where I normally do all my testing. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 2. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.